Hey guys! Welcome to our channel, Product Reviews. A place where you get information about trending products and concepts in the world with purchase links. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Be the first to type, "I am subscribed," in the comment box below. Without much wasting your time, let's get started. Nokia 5.3 Android One smartphone with quad camera. Go big and beyond with Nokia 5.3. From its quad camera, ultra-wide lens and the power of AI imaging built in, you won't miss a moment. Plus your shots will look absolutely stunning. Into gaming and videos? Good, because the HD Plus display is out of this world at an epic 6.55 inches. Say goodbye to battery anxiety with a powerful and AI-assisted 4000 mAh adaptive battery, letting you stay charged for up to 2 days. Need more storage? Swap in a micro SD card to go from 64 GB to a whopping 512 GB. Did we mention that with 2 years of software upgrades, it's even ready for Android 11? Some people think that this phone may be overpriced. But I have to say it is one of the best phone of this price. I buy this phone for moderate use, not for gaming. The camera of this phone is really and the audio quality and battery perfect and in hand feel are great. Nokia is not like other Chinese brands who have a lot of privacy issue. It give you a stock Android with zero bloatware, that give you a good experience for use. Nokia give 3 years security update and 2 years Android update. Capture a whole range of new angles with the quad camera and ultra-wide 118 degrees lens. Shoot like a pro with advanced AI imaging to bring your nighttime and portrait shots to life. Enjoy videos and games with the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor and the impressive 6.55-inch HD Plus screen. Stay charged for up to 2 days with the 4000 mAh battery and AI-assisted adaptive battery. Look forward to 2 years of software upgrades and 3 years of security updates with Android 10. In the box, Nokia 5.3 device, quick start guide, safety booklet, charger, headset, jelly case, Type-C USB cable, SIM tray tool. After using for 2 days, I say that a wonderful product designed and developed by Nokia. Little dissatisfied with the size of the phone, little bigger on size. I've been a fan of Nokia since Windows Phone, already using 6.1, 6.1 Plus and this one is the latest addition in arsenal. The greatest thing is software updates from Android One and Nokia living up to its promise. Had no issues with any of Nokia phones till date like heating, lag, zero bloatware and a pure Android experience which makes it a wonderful experience to enjoy the phone. Basically I am an iPhone user earlier, but after using Nokia 3 which is my very first phone after Nokia launched in Android, since then I have shifted to Nokia completely. A wonderful brand one can rely on. Instead of going to Chinese brand we can choose this. Battery is really good, charging time not too slow, 2 hours for full charge, camera is nice. If you Google Gcam then it's awesome. Stock Android no bloatware, up to 3 years you will get updates with our Miss 720p screen looks like 1080p screen present in Redmi phone. Because of higher nit screen quality is really good. If you want mobile for at least 2 to 3 years without any issues you can choose this mobile. Get lost in a bigger screen. Feel like you're in another world on the epic 6.55, 16.6 centimeters, HD Plus display, so you can experience your favorite videos and games in a whole new way. From wherever you want it in the palm of your hand. Dependable power. Tired of battery anxiety? With a 4000 mAh battery and the power of AI-assisted adaptive battery, you'll have more juice for your favorite apps and can even go up to 2 days without having to top up. Right off the bat, this one is a bit expensive if you compare with Samsung products. Way expensive if you go for other Chinese brands for the specs it's packing. That being said it didn't fail me so far, very good slick design, M30s felt bulky and heavy. Good performance, I don't play games so I'm good. Pure stock Android with 2 years updates so that's a win. I hate it when my phone asks me to install or installs apps that I don't want. 4000 mAh battery does last for at least 1.5 days on normal use. I was watching YouTube for 2 hours that discharged battery about 20% so I guess full charge will give you about 10 hours playback. No fast charging could be issue for some. There was a bit heating issue while charging, not exactly burning sensation though. Cameras I don't use much so won't comment on that. One thing did bug me though, its display. I usually keep brightness at 0% even in dark mode. With M30s and Moto G4, secondary phone, I don't face brightness issues. Here with 5.3 first time I have to increase brightness. Overall it's a good phone. I look for mid-range professional looking phones for long-term use. Nokia checks all the boxes. For others who go for photos, games or higher specs it may not be for you. Get in the game. Gaming is a breeze with the dynamic Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor. And with regular software upgrades and security updates, you're always up to date with the latest Android experience. Durable design. It's big by design and struts a true sense of style. With the elegance of 2.5D glass in the front and scratch-resistant composite on the back, its Nordic-inspired colors also make it a pleasure to look at. Assistance in an instant. Have a question? Want to check your schedule? With the dedicated Google Assistant button built in. Help is just a press away and even adapts to become more personalized with every use. It's a simple and solid device. Android One is refreshing without the pre-installed and nonsense apps. The device and camera works good. Maybe a little underwhelming, but does its job. Android's gesture control is also intuitive once you get the hang of it. Overall, a respectable non-Chinese alternative at this price range. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.